Welcome. In this video I will demonstrate the basics of imposition with PPD Prepress by numbering a sample card. We begin by clicking the Open button and selecting the card. The application automatically enters crop settings that will reduce the white space around the card. For this demonstration I will leave the logic checkbox unticked. We will come back to this in a later video. So all we need to do is simply click the Impose Artwork button. The artwork is automatically imposed on the default output sheet, which is SRA3, and the artwork automatically opens in our default PDF application. Note the outer trim marks. These are automatically applied and are especially useful where no marks exist on the original PDF. So in this video I have explained the basics of imposition with PPD Prepress. For more information I invite you to check out a set of related short videos on ppdprepress.co.uk. Thank you.